we signed up for this. This is what we love. It didn't necessarily sign up to be in the middle of a pandemic, but it happens, I guess. I don't know.
COVID-19 quickly became Dr. Roberto Suazo's reality back in
I
March.
was the first fellow to get deployed on the COVID ICU unit.
For him, it's also personal.
I did end up losing my grandfather to COVID back in April, so it hit home from the beginning.
Dr. Suazo was on the COVID frontlines as a fellow with IU School of Medicine. First-year fellow Dr. Cynthia Carrasco and third-year fellow Dr. Francesca Duncan are fighting the virus head-on alongside him.
What I never anticipated is that I would be family, doctor, friend, caregiver for one person every day.
The Pulmonary and Critical Care Fellowship is an intense 3-year-long clinical and research-based program. There are less than 24 in the program.
We all had to kind of step up and learn very, very quickly. There were times in which we were kind of responsible in the sense that we had to kind of act as an attending because there were just so many patients that we had to care for.
Essentially, fellows are trained doctors who are looking to become experts in a particular field.
It's been a whole range of emotions, from frustration, of people not believing in it and not knowing kind of what we're dealing with on a daily basis, even to gratitude. I think so many people are kind of working together so well as teams and kind of leaning on each other for support.
These fellows all came to Indy from different backgrounds. Dr. Carrasco is from Mexico. Dr. Suazo was born in Puerto Rico. And Dr. Duncan grew up in Georgia, but they all share a passion in helping others.
What makes me go every day? I think it's exactly that. Just thinking that not is just my job, but it's my privilege. A few people have the chance to help. We're in a position to help.
Inside the walls of the COVID ICU, it's their classmates who turned into their family that gets them through some of the hospital's darkest days.
Everyone is there with the sole goal in mind to help others. We also provide that emotional support for each other.
Within the last few weeks, these fellows can now say they are fully vaccinated against the deadly virus, something they say means an end to the pandemic is near.
At the beginning of the pandemic, the word was like fear. Now we're feeling very, very hopeful.
Nikki Dementri, WRTV.